Dear sister, you've all seen a female with a straight line for a hairline. Black dots in her parting. No, that is not the way, and I'm not about to co-sign that. You will need Blue Bleach Powder, purple hair dye, and 20 volume developer. I'll list the measurements of the bleach mixture below. The bleach mixture should be more on the stiff side, so it shouldn't be too runny because it will penetrate the lace and run onto the hair, bleaching the hair as well. The purple dye is to neutralize the knots, because as you bleach them they could go orange, and on the color chart purple neutralizes orange. I bleach in a T shape to reduce the damage because bleaching does damage the knots, and because I only wear my hair in the middle part. I know I'm moving quite quickly, but if you have any queries, comment below, I will answer them. The overall processing time is around 25 minutes. You don't need the knots to be too light or blonde because really and truly I am brown. The shampoo I use to wash the closure and further tone it is the Provoke Touch of Silver Brightening shampoo. It's purple, and this is really just for extra strength, just to ensure that the job is being done. I let the shampoo sit on the hair for about 5 minutes, then I rinse it out. So now it's plucking time. You'll need a tweezer, preferably a slanted one, T-pins, and a brush or a comb just to get out the hair we're going to be removing. I start off by thinning out the hairline once. This is just to make the job a tad bit easier. Be careful not to make any holes. That would be your worst nightmare. To wear the closure in the state it currently is in now, I think you're mad, but hey, to each their own. Some people like that look, I guess. Notice how much hair has already come out. But at this point, I'm going to start working section by section. I guess you should just pluck until you've reached your desired density. Don't forget to keep combing through the hair after you've taken out a significant amount, because loose hair can cloud your judgment. It will make you think there's more hair than there actually is. What else can I say? I don't pluck further than the area I've bleached. So where there's bleach, or where the bleach was placed, I make sure to pluck there, don't go further in. So you can see that by now the hairline is beginning to take shape. Hashtag no straight hairlines. This is done to frame my face, match my own natural hairline, and I don't know, it's just the way I like doing it. I like customizing it according to my face, how it should be done in my opinion. And you have to pay attention to detail. I could have left the closure at this point, but I just had to be extra and decided to pluck some more. Be careful not to rip the lace. That's why I like using a slanted tweezer, so I can rest it against the lace as I'm plucking. So this is just for you guys to get a close up. It's quite sped up, yes, but I do work pretty fast as I have been doing it for years. But I'm just admiring my work. Sorry guys. Ooh, I might just do my hair now. This is exciting. I don't know, it looks like a hairline. It actually looks like a hairline. It looks like it could be someone's leave out. This is just for you to see how much hair we have plucked all together. A lower density hairline makes your closure look more natural. I'm now plucking the middle parts. I like to pluck my middle parts rather than just leave them with the bleach knots. By my own judgment and by my own experience, I think hair tends to shed a lot more when you're just parting on the area that you've bleached the knots in. That's why I like to have the middle part. Also because I like how it mirrors a parting on someone's hair, I guess. It's just sharp. I love it. The tuft at the front is for the swoop I like to do with my closures. Personally, I like to pull out on a 1 square, 2 square basis. So I'll have 1 square plucking at the back, and in the front I might have more of a 2 square plucking. As you can see here, I'm just thinning out that parting a bit more, just so that it's not too narrow. Narrow partings make you look like an auntie, but hey, that's another story for another day. And then I part horizontally at the back of the closure. This bit is to cover the track. I straighten my hair with my Organics Moroccan Argan Oil Weightless Dry Oil. It isn't necessarily a serum, but I like the scent and how it makes the hair feel. A couple sprays of this, then I brush through to ensure that it's evenly distributed, and then I start to partition the hair. I work in parts as I do when I'm plucking. When it comes to me reaching the middle, I'll be straightening along both sides of the middle parts. I hope this description will make a lot of sense, but this allows the closure to lay flat because I'm straightening in the direction that the hair will be laying in. It's all about placement, and in this case I'm flattening the hair in the position it's going to be laying in when I wear it. Now we're at the back bit that I said would cover the track, and as that's horizontal, I'm straightening that whole bit to lay on top of the track. And because it's a really straightforward job, I'm just going to do the other side off camera. Like that, honeys, we are done. We have a flawless looking lace closure. Look at that. Look at that part. Now this honestly looks like someone's leave out. It is so realistic. Look at the back. You can see the area that's been bleached because it kind of has a lighter tint than the areas that haven't been touched by bleach. And look how it blends with my skin. I finally recorded a hair video. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and if there's anything else you'd want to see me doing on my channel, just drop me a comment. There's really nothing more for me to say, but thank you, bye.